Hi, I'm Tim Rogers. I'm a building consultant here at Monroe's office in North Carolina for America's Home Place. It is a great job to have. There are three reasons why I enjoy working here at America's Home Place. It's all about fun, friends, and family. That makes it fun. And when it's fun, man, you don't mind coming to work. You don't even mind coming to work on your days off because it's fun. You enjoy being here. You enjoy being around the people that you're working with. Another thing about working here, it's all about families. You know, we're kind of a family here, but we see families going into their forever home. You know, America's Home Place has a motto that we build people to build houses in order that families can build homes. Man, I'm telling you, that is a great adventure to see a family going into their home for either the first time or being their forever home for the last time they're planning on moving again. But you know what? Being here at America's Home Place, it is a rewarding job, and I look forward to doing it every day. Once again, I'm Tim Rogers. I'm a building consultant here at America's Home Place in Monroe, North Carolina.